When I thought of what I wanted to do for my business, I immediately thought of making bath salts, soaps, scrubs, and bath fizzies. I've made these many times as Christmas gifts and gifts for different holidays, and everyone who's received them has always loved them and loved receiving them as gifts. This is how I came up with Kim's Spa Creation. It's an all-natural spa product, homemade from my home to yours. All of our items are made from pure essential oils and other natural ingredients such as baking soda, cornstarch, Epsom salt, coconut oil, citric acid, and to make our soaps we use an all-natural soap base. This sets us apart from a lot of the other spa items that you can buy in the store because we do not use any harmful chemicals that can dry out your skin. When it comes to making a profit, we did it. We kept our advertising costs low by using social media as our main advertising source. We invested in an initial $176.91, which went to purchasing supplies and equipment to make our spa products, including jars, baskets, the essential oils, the natural items that I mentioned before, and then we use some for labels and shipping and wrapping up the items as well. At the end of the 11-week period, I made a total of $354, which made a profit of $157 total. How we made our money or how we gained our profit. Each bath fizzy that I made roughly cost me about $1.25 to make the bath fizzy, and I'm selling those for $4 each. That includes a $2.75 profit on each bath bomb or fizzy that I make. The bath salts roughly cost me $2 a jar, and I'm selling them for $7 each, which included a profit of about $5. The bath scrubs cost me $2 a jar, and I'm selling them for $7 each. This is a $5 profit. The homemade soaps cost roughly about $1.25 to make, and I'm selling them for $4 each. Again, that's a $2.75 profit. One way that I made a bigger profit was by combining some of the items, like the bath bombs or fizzies, the soap, the salts, and the bath scrub into large baskets, medium baskets, and small baskets. The bigger the baskets, the more item I included, but the more profit it had. Those were big sellers. Some of the challenges that I had with this, I was trying to move at the same time as I was trying to run a business. So for a good few weeks, my supplies were packed away and I couldn't make any orders. Another challenge, having the time to make the products and getting them to the customer in a timely manner. Also having enough space as I was making these in my kitchen. And one of the biggest mistakes that I made was not having enough inventory on hand. The bath fizzies take 2 days to set. I had someone who wanted to pick them up the next day. So I learned that I needed to have more inventory before I advertised. What I did that was successful is I posted things using Facebook and other social media accounts for my advertising. That way I didn't have to spend any cost on advertising. My friends and my family were a big support by sharing my social media advertising. They also told everyone how much they loved the bath fizzies and the bath salts as well. The bath fizzies were my major seller, and they were a lot less to make and a lot less trouble to make as well. So if I did it again, I would probably just focus on the bath fizzies. Unless I was making a basket to combine items, I wouldn't sell the other items separately. That's the end of my presentation, and I hope that I can entice you in investing in this great product. As you can see, I have made a lot of money with just a little bit of investment. Thank you.